everybody, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, be sure to check out my ebook, www.theman7selfonfire.com. All right, I hope that you're ready to learn, because this video is going to give you the opportunity to make money. Now, full disclosure, we've been teaching you at DST how to be your own boss. That's exactly what I say, how to be your own boss, how you can start making money, guys, and eventually, if you invest enough, you literally can leave your day job and you can make this a full-time job. Now, you know I've been talking about the unlimited mobile hotspot. That's right, unlimited data, unthrottled data. There's a lot of testimonies for those of you that brought it. I know Nate is one of my students, told me that he sold 11 hotspots. Now, not only is it helping him make money and saving him money, but he's helping his family, friends, and neighbors. You can do the same thing, people. If you want that video, it's a step-by-step 20-minute video. I'm asking a $25 donation for that video to help you get started and help you set up to be your own boss. You have to invest in yourself. I'm gonna show you 3 ways how you can make money, guys, by using the video, how you literally can start your own eBay store making money with this. Now, no joke, no fluff, I'm gonna jump right into it. I got you. All right, let's do it like this. Now, here we are at eBay right here. So the first one I want to look at is this first listing. I searched unlimited data hotspot, and you can see AT&T 4G unlimited hotspot data, $49, unthrottled, no cap, truly unlimited. And you see that word right there? Sim. Let's click on it. Whenever you're going to eBay and you're looking at things like this, you want to make sure that you go to the description. No matter what you're buying off of eBay or Amazon, read the description, guys. Pictures can be deceiving. That's just a little tidbit. Now, right here you see that skip all the fluff. It's finally available. I have been waiting to roll out this select plan for my customers. Limited time, get yours shipped today for the low price, around $49 for life. Here's how it works. Now, listen how this user, or listen how this seller is describing his merchandise, his product. He started his own business. And the first thing he said is that you have to basically purchase the listing. He's going to ship you a SIM card plus an adapter, So different hotspot take different SIM cards. You got like the standard, you got the micro, you got the nano. All of this in a $25 video. And he's shipping you the adapter and the SIM card. Now, what is this SIM card expected to do? He's sending you a SIM card that's already active, guys. Look, put the SIM card in the device and start enjoying fast, high-speed internet. And he go ahead and he give his pitch. He said he got over 800 customers. It's no throttling or whatever. 30-day hassle return policy. And here it is. He said, I will bill you $49 a month for the SIM card and service. $49 a month, over 800 customers. Now, I already showed you in the video how you can go ahead, set up the SIM card, get an IMEI number, do the iPad method or the Android method. This is the way that you can make money just by getting that video, guys, just by watching my channel. Let's go back. I want to show you another one. Come down right here. And we see AT&T unlimited data, ZTE velocity, no throttling. Now, this is what this individual person is doing. You see the price is $63. Full disclosure again, read the description. Please read, view pictures, and follow all directions below before making a purchase. So it tells you exactly what you're purchasing. You're purchasing an unlimited, no cap, unthrottled 4G LTE data only prepaid plan. This is not a plan for calling or texting. You are purchasing an AT&T ZTE velocity. Guys, in the video, I tell you the best hotspots to use and how I came to that conclusion, and I back it up in that video. MF923 with simple step-by-step instructions on how to set up and how to activate your account. I give you all of those instructions in the video. You can take that video and you can do the same thing. And look, he go ahead and he described the hotspot that he's selling, tell you what's inside. Here's another thing right here. So I come right here and it's a unlimited $35 a month hotspot, and it goes the phones, iPad, no throttling. Now, this is for 5G, but you can find 4G up in here also. Now, basically what this individual is selling you, AT&T unlimited data account without a SIM card, easy activation. $34 a month, no plan included, no SIM card, 5G for compatible devices in the area. And when you go ahead and you really read his description, what you're getting for this individual is that you're getting an IMEI number, guys. Look, $14, you're getting an IMEI number after you buy it. So he's charging people $14 for an IMEI number, and then they will have to go themselves and pay Let me see that price, paid at $34.99 a month. So this particular seller is only selling you an IMEI number. Now there's 3 ways how you can get that video or watch my videos and you can start your own eBay store making money. You can make $63 a month, $49 a month, or you can sell just strictly IMEI numbers because it's hard to come by. Sell strictly those IMEI numbers, guys, for $14, and you can go on eBay and do your research. You see there's tons of people that's doing it. You can do it too. Be your own boss, guys. Invest in yourself. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. If you want that video, that 20-minute video that walk you through it, send me a Cash App, dbogan78, or send me a PayPal at paymetakingthebathroom or bathroomminister@gmail.com. All the information will be in the description of the video. Invest in yourself. I'm giving you the game as always. 3 ways how you can start making money in 10 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.